Say one number for each acorn.
Hazel, a red squirrel, bounds along the branches of 100 Acorn Hollow. She has a clear mission ahead. Count the hollow's acorns to 100 by ones and by tens. Today, watch the scene carefully. The numbers and symbols are part of the world, so the structure can be seen before it is named. Acorn matches a mark carved into the forest. Down at the trailhead, Hazel encounters a ring of 10 individual acorns. She touches them one at a time. Counting by ones means we say one number name for each individual acorn. We start with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We keep the exact order with no skips. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The last name said tells the count. Counting by ones, the ring holds 10 acorns. Moving down to the stone wall, Hazel encounters a different structure. Instead of loose individual seeds, these acorns are packed inside closed baskets. Along this array of woven baskets, each closed basket is one complete group of 10 acorns. We say one decade name per basket: 10, 20, 30, 40, 50.
5 groups of 10 make 50.
Counting by tens, 5 baskets make 50. As the afternoon light shifts, the trail leads up to a larger physical structure, the 10-basket crown. Looking at this circular arrangement, we keep the decade order. Past 50, we continue. 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. 10 groups of 10 reach 100. Counting by tens reaches 100. Counting by ones, what number comes after 29? To find out, Hazel evaluates the transition past the 20s on the next number path. On this continuous physical row of single acorns, we count 27, 28, 29. After 9 ones are collected, a physical rollover occurs. A new 10 begins, and the next number name is 30. After 29 comes 30. Looking back, the 10-acorn ring, the 50-acorn wall, the 100-acorn crown, and the 30-acorn path are all connected parts of the same continuous landscape. These environmental labels name the entities we see, while Hazel's movement demonstrates exactly how those quantities grow and change. These marks are a simple record of the physical relationships we have observed along the way. With the mission complete, Hazel settles back into the trees as Kit passes by, leaving the math painted permanently into the forest itself.
10 groups of 10 make 100.